Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video you're watching a medicinal spice known as a long pepper. Long pepper, sometimes called as Indian pepper or Pippali, it is a flowering vine. Long pepper is primarily used for cold, wet and mucus conditions of the lungs. It is rejuvenative for the lungs. It also helps to detoxify the liver and protect it from further damage. Consuming this mixture daily can aid in reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Long pepper can be used for scalp cleansing and hair growth also. How to take long pepper powder during cough and cold. Take 4 to 8 pinch of long pepper powder. Take this powder along with honey or milk when necessary. Thank you.